The next website I chose to review was called Cool Math Games, and primarily I could see this being used by students, and I have used this in the past as well with students that need a little extra help with math. Standards that aligned with this website were students understand how automation works and using mathematical thinking to develop a sequence of steps to create and also test solutions. And also, students engage in a positive, ethical behavior when using such technology, especially when you can come across social interactions online when using laptops or any network devices. So if we go into this website, we can see that it caters to anywhere from first grade to eighth grade. When you go into to one of the grade levels, you'll see that there's many lessons that contain counting, addition, subtraction, and as we scroll down eighth grade, they start to focus on fractions, algebra, and so forth. I liked how when you clicked on a lesson, just give it a second while it loads, and you went into a game, which I'm going to do right here. I'm going to go into Number Sense. The game pops up. Play now. And you'll see choose the best answer. One is before or after. I'm going to hit after just so you guys can see what this does if you get it wrong. So what happens is a video tutorial will pop up and explain what the best answer is and using a number line. And I thought that this was great because it's a recorded video that actually draws and explains why you got the answer wrong. And I look forward to using this actually this year. Also, the other part of the website I liked is that it had reading and that focused on comprehension. And you could work on, so let's go on here into first grade reading. You can see there's different levels and lessons. And as it gets harder, you can unlock these lessons. I thought that this was a great free website to access for all students needing extra math help. Thank you.